Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to check your Experian FICO credit score in 2025. If you're looking to keep tabs on your financial health, this is a must-know skill. First off, let's quickly cover what a FICO score is. It's a three-digit number, ranging from 300 to 850, that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness based on factors like payment history, amounts owed, and length of credit history. Experian, one of the major credit bureaus, makes it easy to access your FICO score for free or through their services. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Head over to the Experian website. You can simply type Experian.com into your browser or use their app for a smoother experience. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any scams. Step 2. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's straightforward. Just provide your email, create a password, and verify your identity. This might involve answering a few questions about your personal info or linking a bank account. Once you're logged in, Step 3. Navigate to the Credit Score section. Look for the FICO score option specifically, as Experian offers both FICO and their own Vantage score. Click on it, and you'll see your current score displayed, along with a breakdown of the factors influencing it. Take a moment to review this. It's like a financial report card. A few tips to remember. Always check for accuracy and dispute any errors you find. Also, monitor your score regularly, maybe every few months, to track improvements. Remember, a higher score can lead to better loan rates and more opportunities. There you have it. That's how you check your Experian FICO credit score in 2025. It's quick, secure, and empowers you to take control of your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.